What's up, guys? It's John with Optimized Nerds. So today we're talking about hijacking our desires using temptation bundling. All right, so this is an idea from James Clear in his book Atomic Habits. And the main idea here, he says, is that this is a simple strategy that can be employed to make nearly any habit more attractive than it would otherwise be. The strategy is to pair the action with something that you want to do with the action that you need to do. So I'm going to give you a couple quick examples, and I'm going to show you how to apply this to your life right now. For me, I'm a stay-at-home dad part-time, meaning my wife works part-time and I stay home with the kids while she's at work. And whenever I have to fold laundry, then I always like to watch a TV show that I really like because I don't like folding laundry, frankly. Especially all those little baby socks. It's amazing how small they are. But anyways. So, and another way I use this idea is I love listening to podcasts and listening to things, but I always make sure I'm either standing up or walking or doing, not just sitting sedentary if I am entertaining myself with that type of media. And then the last one, very quickly, is before I jump on social media or do anything online in the morning, I always make sure that I do my at least one deep work time block session. So I link that, and that way I can be creative before I'm reactive. I can create these videos for you guys like that. How about you? So the way that you implement this idea into your life is you make a list. Okay, list out some things, and you can do more than 5, that you want and some things that you need to do. And then go over that list and see where you can link things that you want to do with things that you need to do. That's a quick look at the temptation bundling. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you will, hit the subscribe button or the like button if you made it this far into the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.